flight radar just tracked a Cessna, and it's right because I right hear it. There it is. Bro. Guys, this might be one of our last videos because I gotta go to school soon, but probably just a few.